All the wise.
Otherwise, Daddy, can I go under the car?
You sure oil's not gonna just pop out, mommy?
It shouldn't. I mean, you haven't turned on the car in a minute. Well, a couple days.
All right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working. Tonight I'm going to be helping out Jordan in his RSX. I'm going to be putting in the, his transmission. It was having like a little so we think there was like the throwout bearing. So he went ahead and bought another throwout bearing. We're going to change the pilot bearing as well, and we're going to be changing the main seal.
I hear it. I hear it.
Yeah, I hear it coming out. Coming out kind of too easy, but yeah.
Boom.
Chakalaka.
I don't know if I should put regular oil, but this is trans oil.
That's cool. Something just to lubricate.
Just to lube it. To lube.
No, you eat yours, Papa. Eat it.
Do they look the same?
No, Lola.
A lot of people are still asking when are you going to tune the car on the nitrous.
Hopefully when this job is done. Hopefully. And if the funds are right, of course.
Yeah, the comments keep saying, have you tuned it yet? How much horsepower did it make?
I wish 700 plus. No.
700 plus on the nitrous. On a 150 shot.
Right, wait. Alright, dang, that kind of went in kind of
smooth.
I mean, I gotta beat this in, this part.
No, I think you can do it by hand. Can you?
You put ice in there and then you put your drink or something, so you can keep it there.
But yeah, I think I gotta beat the rest in. Gotta beat it.
Beat it. The last time you beat it in, what did you beat it in with?
I don't know. I think I beat it in with the rubber mallet.
Okay.
But definitely gotta beat it in.
I think you should do it with like a extension.
Oh, like a half size thing?
Yeah, like a 3/8 extension.
Beat it all the way around?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Bye. See you later.
Where you going?
Work.
Oh, you going to work?
Where?
I'll be back.
Okay, go make me some money.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me address, if you're putting this on YouTube, that we are not professional mechanics.
Not ASE certified.
Yeah, we're not certified like that, but you know, we kind of know what we're
I mean,
doing.
we're more certified than the guys at O'Reilly's and AutoZone.
Yeah, that's true. That's very, very true. So, yeah. We just don't have money like that. So we can DIY.
He's a mechanic? Oh, he's a mechanic.
Where's the car keys at?
This one's the car keys. That one's the house key.
I think it went in pretty good. It's kind of boom. Shebang.
Let you pick.
And that is how you put a rear main seal on.
I guess not like the way that I was trying to do it, right?
I don't know. How are you trying to do it?
We were trying to dismantle the whole motor.
Oh, yeah. You say take this off?
Yeah, take all that. Well, I thought it had to be more pressurized than that. But I guess not.
This is the car keys.
We were about to disassemble the whole motor.
Like, we take the bearings out.
I was like, oh, fuck. For real?
Alright, let's go put that pilot bearing on too.
Alright, I think it's in there, though.
The pilot bearing kind of looks like my wedding ring.
It says it's 5 carat.
It's a 5-carat wedding ring.
So you putting this on YouTube, people gonna say, damn, her finger's fat as hell. That should just fit on there. Look how well my husband got me, you guys. It's beautiful.
Stupid.
This is our future mechanic right here.
So, I should clean that off too, man. Dang.
And our other one,
All that
call Lola,
acid, all
baby.
that
You call the future baby mechanic.
Hey.
Say hi, mamas.
Hey.
Hi, mamas.
Say it again.
Say hi, mamas.
Hi, mamas.
We should do the pilot bear.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Should we wait to freeze it, or should we just do it now?
Just bang it in.
Okay.
He's like, okay.
No grease or grease? No grease?
No grease. I mean, I think a little bit of grease. You want to put a little bit of grease?
Do you think we should put grease?
Yeah.
Or would that mess up everything?
No, I think it'll be better with grease. Yeah, some lard.
It's okay with Daddy for you to be dirty.
Yeah.
Gotta lube.
A little bit goes a long way.
Around, not inside.
Yeah, around.
Around.
Yeah, around.
The best part goes inside.
He's stupid.
Feel like a 2x4 line.
What about cookies?
No, I think the hammer's big enough.
Where's my
Yeah, it's big enough.
Right here.
Oh.
1, 2, y...
Close.
That's my cookie. Where's my cookies go?
Try to pull it out. Oh, the yeah, there you go. I think it has to go in a little bit more, probably. You want to do like an even hit. Probably a socket. Yeah, try this one if it's like big around. Is it a little bit bigger?
No, I think, you know what? I think this is fine.
Are you sure?
I think.
Don't put it in.
Alright then, let me get a little bit bigger then. Since you put it that way.
Don't mess it up, man.
Can't cuss, baby. That word.
I
yeah.
can bleep it or put like dolphin sounds.
No, I'm talking about Baby J.
That episode of SpongeBob?
Yeah, that he's crushing up.
Daddy.
Hi, Squidward. How the are ya?
Nice day, isn't it, Squidward?
I think I should give you a little bit bigger one.
Why see?
The little
That's
turkey.
not nice. No,
try
it's
it.
bad word.
No is bad words? Okay.
Yes, it is.
Good is bad, right?
Good is bad.
Good is bad?
Yes.
So what's bad? Bad is good? Okay.
That or a little bit more.
A little bit more.
Going on opposite today.
Yes.
Got you. I understand.
Until it stops.
Oh, till it stops?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I don't want to play tag right now, puppy.
Alright then, that's good, that's good.
Set stop.
Yeah, I see. It's like really flush with the thing now.
You got lightning speed. Did he fall?
Yep.
He got
What did I say, Jordan?
Oh.
I was like, it's even with the lip. There's a lip in the back.
That's it, Jordan.
Stop it!
Okay, so now,
I guess try to
Reset
land
it.
the clutch, yeah.
oh yeah, click.
Clutch and flywheel.
You like mama or you like dad?
Dad.
Yeah.
You stupid.
Who's the coolest, Papa?
Who's the coolest?
You, Daddy.
Hey, boy. At least you know.
Probably when he's with his mom. She asks him the same thing. Like, you, mommy.
Probably.
Oh, that's big.
all got spaces.
Okay, she can put it in her mouth. She don't like the bubble that much, only when she's sleeping.
Yeah.
We already installed the competition clutch.
There you go.
And yeah, so now we're doing this all over again. So that's
So we
why
don't
we
need to
didn't.
resurface.
Yeah, we didn't need to resurface the. Well, she said we didn't have to resurface the plywood.
Everything's already bolted up.
Daddy.
We got the subframe bolted up already. And we already got the suspension done as well. We got the calipers already put in, axles already in, both shocks, shock tower. Ooh, look at them boys. Some Tane. Or TN, whatever, however you guys want to say.
TN,
Tane.
Tane, the green
The
pullovers.
green boys.
Go ahead. Use the other hand. Your hand right there.
De mi sobrina. De mi sobrina. Yo brega aquí la mecánica ya que es rápido.
Good job. Go all the way up.
Quiere estar. Tiene nada más que 5 años. Y quiere estar. Yo que le compré
Is it getting tight?
de mecánico.
It's getting harder?
Y cada vez que viene para
Good
allá
job.
quiere ir.
Watch out, Papa.
It's way too much.
Just get it for me, and then you just stop it.
Here, turn
Oh,
it.
fuck you.
Okay.
That shit.
Ready?
Jordan said he's taking us out to eat. Huh?
Oh, yeah?
Jump. Down. Jump.
Then we get to delete that and have the intake coming out here.
You have to like relocate that or somehow.
Into the back.
No, don't touch that, Mama.
Don't touch it. That's the belt. It'll cut your finger off.
Alright guys, I know I can tell that I'm not good at this because I forgot to do an outro after I'm done editing. I was like, where's the outro? So don't forget to like, share it, comment, subscribe, do your thing, do a little notification bell. And yeah, we got everything done. He's gonna get we couldn't get it out of the yard because there was a trailer and there was other cars in the way that they were working on. So, but as soon as he starts driving that thing around, I'm gonna get in there and I'm gonna show you guys how the RSX runs and he's gonna be tuning in pretty soon. So stay tuned for that too. All right, guys. Till next time.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.